Okay, young lady. It looks like you just robbed a bank, but go ahead.
It's Santa's gift from me, and it's pretty heavy.
I wonder what it is.
Ready? Want me to open it?
Yep.
Whoa! What is this? What is this? He hurt us between it. It's
Oh my goodness, we were talking about that, what, yesterday?
yes, and he gave me it.
Oh my goodness. Yeah, he's unbelievable. How would he know? How could he do that all so fast?
I don't know. It's this toss.
Wow.
Oh my gosh. He really knows. That's why it's so heavy.
Wow.
Oh, it's so heavy. Oh, beanbag toss.
Yep.
I can't believe that.
Wow.
You can put your drinks in there too.
Wow.
Just in that. Wow.
Stay kneeling there. I'm going to take a picture of you.
Cool.
Look over.